is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bed, where you rest your head. C is for cat, with whiskers that twitch, loves to fetch and sit. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims all day long. G is for grapes, purple and sweet, that you wear on the street. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly that wiggles just right. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for ladybug, red with spots that fly. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for octopus with 8 long arms. P is for pig, rolling in farms. Q is for queen, with a crown so tall. R is for rainbow, the prettiest of all. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, with stripes in sight. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for violin, playing by and by. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, a musical key. Y is for yellow, the color of fun. Z is for zebra, always on the run. Now you've learned your ABCs. Sing along and have fun with these.